When I came across this Gomoku freeze-dried rice, I knew I had to try it. My husband and I are not backpackers or campers. However, we do live in the Caribbean and we are very prone to natural disasters, and oftentimes trying to find food could be difficult. So we love trying new things like this to make sure that we will always be able to have access to food. So, it even comes with a spoon. So basically this is freeze-dried and all you need is water. So even if you don't have access to hot water, you can actually cook this with cold water. All it said to do was to take out your spoon and the little pack in here, that's just to keep it fresh. Of course, it says do not eat. And then it said to kind of just pop it out, I guess to make it, kind of bend it a little bit. There is a fill line in here. There are multiple little lines. I'm trying to figure out which one it is. And I'm going to take my hot water and pour it right inside this bag up to the fill line. And then I am going to zip it closed. So it said if it's hot water, it takes 15 minutes. Cold water, it takes an hour. So I'm gonna close that up and we're gonna come back and try it out together. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. It's the moment of truth. We're gonna open it up and check it out. That is fully cooked rice. All I did was add some boiling water. It is nice and warm. So now we're gonna go in for the taste test. So this, as I said, it's a typical Japanese style mixed rice. You've got carrots, ginger, mushrooms. You've got everything in here. Let's try it. Oh my goodness. This is better than some restaurants I get here. And this has a shelf life of 5 years. So this is perfect for, as I said, camping, backpacking, in emergencies. This is awesome. You've got to try this.